Parents' Day is observed in South Korea and in the United States. The South Korean designation was established in 1973, replacing the Mother's Day previously marked on May 8, and includes public and private celebrations. The United States Day was created in 1994 under President Bill Clinton. June 1 has also been proclaimed as Global Day of Parents by the United Nations as a mark of appreciation for the commitment of parents towards their children. In the Philippines, while it is not strictly observed or celebrated, the first Monday of December each year is proclaimed as Parents' Day. The United Nations proclaimed June 1 to be the Global Day of Parents to appreciate all parents in all parts of the world for their selfless commitment to children and their lifelong sacrifice towards nurturing this relationship. It is the same day as International Children's Day. In the United States, Parents' Day is held on the fourth Sunday of July. This was established in 1994 when President Bill Clinton signed a congressional resolution into law for recognizing, uplifting, and supporting the role of parents in the rearing of children. The bill was introduced by Republican Senator Trent Lott. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.